Cryptocurrency wallet explained, types and examples. You may have questions about what a cryptocurrency wallet is and how to use one correctly. This article describes the three primary forms of cryptocurrency wallets and how they operate: software, hardware, and paper. Most novice investors have had trouble comprehending them because there are hundreds of these wallets available. In this video, we will be talking about the main idea of a cryptocurrency wallet. Let's get started. What is a cryptocurrency wallet? Scenario: you and your friend are dining together at your favorite establishment. The waitress arrives. She inquires as to whether there will be 1 or 2 tickets for the lunch. Unfortunately, your friend doesn't have his physical wallet with him. However, you tell him that he can give you a quarter of a Bitcoin to pay for his dinner in your cryptocurrency wallet. He glares at you, demonstrating that he has no concept of what a cryptocurrency wallet is. You continue by stating that while ordinary wallets allow you to share money like cash, cryptocurrency wallets are significantly safer and last far longer. Users may need to use separate wallets to keep their assets given that they have become one of the most sought-after systems in the cryptocurrency sector due to the influx of tokens and currencies from various projects. Cryptocurrency wallets are essentially straightforward programs, pieces of software, or system that allows the storage for both public and private keys. The private key is technically your password, but we'll get that in a moment. Before we go any further, the user can transfer, receive, and also keep track of their assets by using these public and private keys. Let's briefly discuss private and public keys. So you literally have 2 keys whenever you have a wallet. A public key is one that you can provide to your friends. There is also a private key, but it is for them to pay you. Nobody else should possess that secret key according to you. So think of it like this. Anyone who has your public key can give you money exactly like they could if they had your PayPal email. Your public key doubles as your address, just like a PayPal email. However, if you give someone access to your private key, which serves as the email password, they will be able to access all of your accounts. You should be aware of the fact that various cryptos have various address architectures. As a result, a Bitcoin address will differ slightly from an Ethereum address, which will differ slightly from a Cardano address. The addresses are empty of money, but the keys are only an apparently haphazard combination of letters and numbers. You can see how they appear in this video, along with a brief explanation of how public and private keys function. A public key and a private key are all that make up a wallet. 3 different types of wallets. A software wallet is the first kind of wallet you may use to store your money. These wallets are currently typically online exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, which are excellent instances of software or web-based wallets. They keep the public and private keys on their servers and provide you with access to them via your account. It's crucial to understand that they technically have the ability to spend your cryptocurrency because a private key or password is stored in their servers. The next option is a hardware wallet. So you can choose to use one if you don't feel comfortable sharing your information online or with a corporation. These wallets essentially function as private and public key storage devices for you on USB sticks. If you unplug them, nobody will be able to use them anymore. For instance, there is no recovery method for the 24 keywords used by the Ledger Live system, which means that if you forget them, your money is lost forever. Although no one will be able to hack into your crypto unless they have access to the ledger and know the password. This is a double-edged sword. It's important to note that these actual gadgets can start to grow expensive. The final cryptocurrency wallet you can use is a paper wallet, which contains your private and public keys as well as possibly some QR codes that are used to speed up Bitcoin transactions. Basically, your private and public keys are printed out on paper. This is comparable to paying with cash using debit cards. The risk of losing or damaging the piece of paper is one of the main disadvantages of this procedure. This is the safest way to keep your cryptocurrency. Whether intentionally or by mistake, but it's also the least convenient. So you should really only use it if you have a significant amount of money you want to protect. But not often, because each time you wanted to conduct a transaction, you would have to enter your private key. Wallets can be divided into two categories: hot and cold. A hot wallet is one that can be accessed online through an application that is connected to the internet, whether through another company or your personal computer. A cold wallet, on the other hand, requires a connection to a computer, such as through a USB device, or it must be written down on a paper. Offline wallets is what we call them. Once your private key is made public, the hot wallet will always be open to online attacks, and hackers are constantly looking for the best new approach to gain access to a system. However, the biggest risk when utilizing a cold wallet is either misplacing it or forgetting the passphrase. The applications truly determine this. For instance, suppose you're mining cryptocurrency and you need to move it somewhere right away. If you're investing hundreds of thousands of dollars, you can utilize a wallet like Coinbase, since you can remove the USB and keep hackers from getting access to your private keys. From our discussion, do you find cryptocurrency wallets convenient and secure? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel Metaverse for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you again in our next video. Bye!